This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW X1 headlight bulb. Only way. Open the hood, disconnect the battery negative terminal, and wear gloves to protect the bulb oils. Start by turning on the headlights to verify which side is out, then locate the back of the headlight assembly and remove the dust cap. Handle the new bulb by the base only and secure it into the socket firmly before testing. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling straight back, then unclip the retaining spring or twist out the bulb depending on your X1. If there's a dust cap, remove it by turning counterclockwise or pulling gently, then set it aside. Compare the old bulb to the new one for matching type and orientation, avoid touching glass, and reinstall in reverse order while testing the beam alignment afterward. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while you wait for parts, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future car how-tos and share any bulb tips below. I appreciate your support. Check the description for the Kindle deal and other links, then grab a coffee, and now let's get back to the video. Align the bulb correctly, engage the retaining clip or twist until it seats, and reattach the dust cap securely. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks, then reconnect the battery negative terminal and turn on the headlights to confirm proper operation. Check beam aim on a flat surface at the recommended distance, adjust if necessary using the aim screws, and take a short drive to ensure stability and visibility in real road conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.